Oh boy. This is quite something, Simon. You're right there.
You okay, pal?
Well, you know, things aren't great, are they? Let's be honest.
Well, the refurbishment plans have been somewhat
set back
by this.
I like how the head's still up there, just floating.
Yeah.
Oh, the head of Jimmy.
Santa. Has anyone else noticed a giant flashing arrow over there?
No? What is this?
A gift from Strife Solution. He's given me a whole
Definitely
bunch
you?
of stuff.
Why would he give stuff to you instead of us?
Maybe because, you know, I'm the boss. I'm the big man. I'm the big dog, alpha dog.
Yeah? What have you got?
Oh, wait, give that back.
Ha-ha!
Give that back.
Oh, careful. God, jeez.
Now what do I do?
I don't know. What else did you get?
Well, I don't have a pickaxe or anything. I've got,
Oh my god, what is that?
It's
it's
an
thing.
atomic disassembler.
Hit the gas tank with it.
Oh,
It's destroyed it forever. Fantastic. It's great. Let's see if it does the same on Donkey.
You gotta be fucking kidding.